Good morning, good morning. It is January the 8th, 2026 at 6:50 a.m. I have a Poplin laundry order that I will be picking up this morning. I believe I said I'll pick it up around 7:15, so I'm going to wait a little bit and then we'll be leaving here. Probably in another 10-15 minutes to go pick up that laundry, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me to go get this laundry order. I believe it says just one bag. Laundry has been picked up. I know you guys saying, where in the world are you picking this laundry? Alright guys, laundry has been picked up, and I know you guys, first of all, I thought I had the camera on. I'm just talking and the camera wasn't even on. And I know you guys probably wondering, where in the world are you picking up this laundry? But I have had this customer multiple times, and she works at this law firm, and so I pick up her laundry from her job. So that's what you saw, and she always have it by the mailbox, beside the mailbox, so I can see it. And this is the same place. When I drop it off tomorrow morning, I'll be dropping it off at the same spot beside the mailbox so she can get it. Anyway, I'm going to go get some gas, and then I'll be on my way to work. I'll see you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're on our way to drop off the laundry that we picked up on yesterday. If I remember, I'll put a screenshot of the amount of laundry that was done. I think it was like 13 pounds and something. But anyway, I'm on my way to drop it off, and I wanted you guys to come along with me. Dropped off, and I made $22.50 with that order. Let me see if I can pull up what the weight of the bag was. It was 13.2 pounds is what the laundry order was. So now I'm going to put my Spark delivery app on and see if we can get some with Spark. Alright guys, we just picked up the order. It was a 3 drop off for $24.62, 2 apartments and 1 house. Let's go get this order. Okay, we are at the Walmart, and I'm gonna get spot number 2. Or hopefully we can go ahead and confirm that we're here and we're not here too early. Let's see. Alright, we are on our way to our first drop off, which is 13 minutes away, and it is an apartment. And as I was sitting waiting on my order, I received a requested Poplin laundry order, so I put down I will pick that up around 9:15. So we're going to go ahead and deliver this order, and then we'll be on our way to pick up that requested order from Poplin. Let's go drop this first order off.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold.
Now that could have been an easy drop off, but they couldn't find the code, so I had to wait. Thank God it was on the first floor though. Now we're going to the next apartment, which is 7 minutes away. I believe it's an apartment. Let's see.
Head northeast on
Yes, an
East Trace
apartment. Let's
Circle.
go.
Faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with nowhere to hide. Now I am free, open and pure, fearless and babe, I am secure. There is no dark that can.
All spark deliveries have been dropped off, and now we're on our way to pick up the requested
Head toward Foster Road, then turn right
laundry
onto Foster
order.
Road.
So let's go. Okay. Requested order has been picked up, and now we're on our way back to the house to start the laundry before I have to be to work at 1 o'clock. Hopefully, because she don't have a lot of laundry, I can get the majority of it done before I have to be to work at 1, or hopefully I can get it all done, but we'll see. So let's go start this laundry.
It's always been you, Jesus. It's always been you, Emmanuel. Who gave me this courage? What torch lights my feet? It's always been Jesus. It's always been you, Emmanuel. Who brings life to the morning? What flame lights my way home? It's always been you, Jesus. It's always been you, Emmanuel. I know.
Good morning, good morning. It is 7:03 a.m. on a foggy day outside. On my way to drop off the laundry that I picked up on yesterday. And then we'll be headed to work. So come along with me as we go drop this laundry off.
I am love's son. Now I remember to see.
I am consistently keep forgetting to cut the camera on. The clothes have been dropped off. Now I'm on my way to work. And the payout on that was $23.70 without the tip. She always give me a $10 or more tip. So now we're on our way to work. Now I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I hope I got a good amount so you guys can see. I'm going to go ahead and close out the video, and thank you guys for always popping in and supporting, commenting. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't been a part of Mom on a Mission, come be a part. It is definitely free, and I will see you in the next video. You guys be blessed.